Okay, guys, in this example, again, we're given a line and we want to find the slope of a line that would be perpendicular to it. So all we have to do is we need to find the slope of the line first. Now, what a lot of people want to do is right away they say that the slope is 12 because that's the number in front of the x. But we can't do that because this is not in slope-intercept form. If you remember, it needs to be like y equals mx plus b, where y is by itself before we can take the slope. So let's go ahead and solve this for y. We practiced this. So we had 12x plus 12y is equal to 24. If I want to solve for y, we want to start by isolating our variable that we want to solve for. So we're going to subtract 12x from both sides. We end up with 12y is equal to negative 12x plus 24. And now we just divide both sides by the number in front of y. We have y is equal to negative x plus 2, right? So when we do that division, negative 12 divided by 12 is negative 1. So we could put negative 1x if we want. That might even help us now. So I know that the slope of this line, so the slope of the original line is negative 1. So we're going to use that because what we want to do is we want to find the perpendicular slope. So if you remember by our notes, the way we make a perpendicular slope is that we have to take our original slope, which was negative 1, and we start by making the sign opposite, so opposite sign. So we turn to a positive 1. And then after we change it opposite, we have to make the reciprocal here, right? So we're going to reciprocate this or flip it. So it's really positive 1 over 1 since it's a whole number. And when that flips, that still just becomes 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1. So our 1 is the perpendicular slope. Right, so 1 over 1 is 1, so that's our perpendicular slope to this original line given.